Hey guys, Dave here, and we're standing in front of this brand new entire home transformation. We're going to be starting in just the next couple of days. Let me show you what it looks like. Guys, we have a very cool situation here, a split level home that we're going to be starting in just the next couple of days. We're going to be filming this entire project from beginning to end. We're going to be adding a room in the back, a brand new bumped out room, and then we're going to be adding a whole top floor above this half of the house, going straight back. We're going to be adding the master bedroom suite above with another bedroom. We're opening up this entire first floor area. We're changing all the windows, all the siding, brand new roof. This place is going to look amazing. So I want you to stay tuned, watch the entire transformation from beginning to end, and just click on the subscribe button below. You'll be able to watch this and get notified of any brand new videos that are coming up. So again, click on the subscribe button and watch this transformation from beginning to end.
Okay, so this is the renovation that we're going to start on this particular home. It is add a level on the front, and as we're looking at it from the side of the house, you can see it goes all the way back here. We're going to be bumping out this section over here. Let me get to the floor plan so you can get a better idea what this looks like. So here's the floor plan right over here. So when you walk in the front door, you have the existing living room. We're stripping down this whole area over here, the existing kitchen. You can see the dotted line here represents the existing. And we're going to be adding an addition back here, which is about 13 by 19 feet roughly. And that's going to go out the back, and we're going to open up this wall. The entire wall is going to get opened up. We're going to put a steel flitch plate in there, another steel plate over here. And this whole area from front to back is going to be an open floor plan. We're getting all new windows in here, and then we're getting replacement windows around the rest of the house. Now upstairs, you have an existing staircase located right here, another staircase that takes you to the upper level. There is an existing room in this area right here. That's getting all stripped down, and then the entire new second floor area will be extended. And as you come up the stairs, there'll be a foyer right over here. This will lead you into, as you come up the stairs, you go into this bedroom right here. And then as you turn, go down the hall, there'll be a laundry closet. And then the next room would be the master bedroom bathroom suite. As you enter there, there'll be a large walk-in closet, large bedroom with a nice tray ceiling here. And then the bathroom suite is over here. You have a nice custom shower, private toilet, his and her sinks, access into the bathroom over here. And as you can tell, this is a full renovation. We have the two floors, first floor, the second floor. We're going to be updating the trim and the windows, and then on the outside on this particular home, we're going to be installing our advanced siding package all the way around, all new roof, all new windows.
Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You could also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.